Freddy.
Nice. Move.
He's not running ruin.
Oh, shit. Missed. Yes.
I don't know what the hell he was thinking, but he should have fucking turned. Tell me I'm not a badass. He's on me, Rage, if you want to finish that gen. Yeah, he's still on my ass. Yeah, please go get that gen done. Sweet.
Stop.
Oh, Rage, you know what map we're on, right?
Yes.
You remember when I'm running, right?
Yes, I do.
So you know what's gonna happen, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Time.
It is time to exact my vengeance on these whack-ass, trash-ass, wannabe high-rank killers. Come here, the Fred bitch. There you go. Yeah, go ahead. Fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. Don't fuck this up. I couldn't get to where I wanted to go. I fucking love you, Rage.
I love you, bro.
Miss Ho. Try again. There you go. He's heading back over. Be careful. Alright, don't worry about me now. Oh, wait, he dropped down. He dropped down. Man, if you can, get yourself healed, sis. I'm gonna finish this gen up at the saloon. Or better yet, here, let me heal you real quick. Don't worry about me. I'm gonna abuse the hell out of fucking ball over with this motherfucker. There you go.
Still running.
Alright, he's here. That's right, bitch. We're going into my quarters.
Ew, not the quarters.
Yes, the quarters.
Ew.
Oh, don't worry. Nothing's gonna happen. Except I'm gonna embarrass the motherfucker. Pick me up. Pick me up. That's right, Fred, bitch. Let's do this again, Freddy. Come to my quarters, bitch. Oh, how dare you run, Bamboozle? Oh, you're not running Bamboozle. You're running fucking what used to be known as Cool Limits. That's fine. I haven't been hooked yet. It's all good. Yeah. I haven't been hooked yet, so it's all good.
We're almost done with the gen.
Good. You are going to learn, Freddy.
The name of all that is holy. Please tell me you're gonna clip this and upload it.
You goddamn right.
Alright.
You goddamn right. I'm clipping this shit. There goes the NOED.
So I guess you could say that Bubbles Bussy really got a handful, huh?
Gross.
You could say that he really got a fistful.
It raged. Shut up. Fucking disgusting. Pissful. Gross. Sick bastard. Why'd you have to turn around at this hook? You could have walked away from the hook. He is still very much near me. I wouldn't even be surprised if he can't be because I pissed him off. Okay, he's walking away. He's walking away. He's away. He's away. Thank you.
And I tell you how much they scared the hell out of me. Let's see.
It's okay, I've got D strike still. Bitch. How's that for a fucking nightmare, ho? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
See where I am?
Don't worry about me. you're brave, come pick me up. Pick me up. I mean, if you don't pick me up, I got unbreakable, so. But I would rather you pick me up, though. You would wait until after my D-strike run out. You bitch. I see Nate over there opening the gate. Thank you. Bitch. Right behind you, Nick. Just get the gate open, don't worry about me. It's okay, Nate, please get out, go. Go, come on, let's go, let's go. Nah, don't look away from me. Get all of this flashlight, bitch. Beautiful.
Ooh, dirty bastard, that blood water.